Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have 7 minus c divided by c minus 7 is equals to c, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem from first method. In the first method, we move the term c minus 7 to the right hand side, and we get 7 minus c is equals to c times of c minus 7. Further, in the next step, we have this is 7 minus c equals to, we multiply c on both of these two values and we get c square minus 7c. Further, in the next step, we move the term from left hand side to the right hand side and we get c square minus 7c, and this is minus c becomes plus c, and this is plus 7 becomes minus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here we need to add or subtract the like terms, and we have this is c square, and so this minus 7c plus 7c becomes here minus 6c, and this is minus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that after this little bit simplification, we get our given equation into the quadratic form. So you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the factorization technique to solve this problem for the values of c. So in order to make the factors of this equation, we break its middle term and we write this minus 6c as minus 7c plus c, and this is minus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So here we take common c from the first two terms and we get the remaining values are, from here we get c minus, from here we get 7 plus, from here we take common 1 and we get the values are c minus 7, and this whole equation is equals to 0. So you see that both of these two terms involve c minus 7, so we take common c minus 7 from here and we get the remaining values are c plus 1, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c minus 7 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write c plus 1 is equals to 0. From here we move the value minus 7 to the right hand side and we get the value of c is equals to plus 7, and from here we get the value of c is equals to minus 1. So you see that in the first method we get these are the two roots of the given equation, but now in the next steps we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of this, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 7 minus c divided by c minus 7 is equals to c. And in this side we verify c is equals to 7, and in this side we verify c is equals to minus 1. So when we put c is equals to 7 on both of the sides, this will be written as 7 minus 7 divided by 7 minus 7 is equals to 7. So you see that 7 minus 7 becomes 0 over 0 form is equals to 7. And we know about that 0 over 0 form is usually called that it is indeterminate form, or in other words we say that it is undefined form. So if the left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value c is equals to 7 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that c is equals to 7 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, this is the extraneous root because it does not satisfy our given question statement. And now in the same pattern we verify the second value of c and we put this value on both of the sides and we get 7 minus c. The value of c is minus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 7 is equals to minus 1. and you have minus time minus becomes plus, we get 7 plus 1 divided by minus 1 minus 7 becomes minus 8 is equals to minus 1. So 7 plus 1 becomes 8 over minus 8 is equals to minus 1, and we get minus 1 equals to minus 1 because these two are cancelled out by each other. It means that the value c is equals to minus 1 is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally concludes about that the solution set of the given question is c is equals to minus 1. So this is our only one answer which we get here from first method, and now we again solve this problem for second method. So for the second method, we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 7 minus c divided by c minus 7 is equals to 7. This is our given question statement, and our second method with a very straightforward or quick method. Here we quickly determine about the solution set of this problem. So in this method, we just take common negative sign from numerator and we get the remaining values are c minus 7, and it is divided by c minus 7 is equals to c. So this c minus 7 and this c minus 7 are cancelled out by each other, and in the left hand side we get minus 1 is equals to c. So you see that in the second method we get just only one value of c, but in the first method we already verified that this value of c is already satisfied our given question statement. So here we finally concludes about that the solution set of this question is c is equals to minus 1. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.